Alright, so now we're going to jazz up our page with a little bit of video. The easiest way to add video to a Moodle page is to use YouTube. I know YouTube is blocked at school, but you could add these from home, and most of your users will be using these from home anyway. So the easiest way to add a YouTube video is to just add it as either part of a label or part of a page. I'm going to start by adding one as a label, and the first step is of course to log in, go to the page where you want it, and then turn editing on. I'm going to add it in this area right here, so I'm going to go to add a resource and label, and then where it says label text I'm going to type in here is a video, and then I actually have to go get the embed code from YouTube. The embed codes are pretty easy to get. Go to the page that has your YouTube video on it, and I just have another tab open in my browser, or you could do this in two different windows. And on the YouTube page we're going to go click share, and we want to embed this video, and this is the HTML code that will go into your page. Alright, so HTML is basically the code that your web pages are written in, and this is what HTML looks like. It's got tags on it and it's got some stuff you may not know what it means. It's okay. What you want to do is right click and copy that code, or you could right click and cut it. And then I'm going to go back over to my label page, and I can't just paste this in. If I try and paste it in, it's just going to give me all that code like that, which is not what we're looking for. So what we have to do instead is we're going to push this HTML button right here where it says edit HTML source, and all you're going to need to do is to insert that code that we just copied into your page. So I'll right click and paste, and then I'm going to hit update. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and hit save and return to course. Now for some reason when you first come back to the course it doesn't show up, but if I refresh the screen by pushing the refresh button or pushing F5, and now I've got a video in my page, and it works. So if you want the video to have its own page and not actually show on the front page of your course, you can add a resource and go down to page, and then on that we'll say my video, and we need a description, my video on a page, and maybe you wanted to write a little more about that video. So this is a video that I'm adding to this page, and then we'll follow the same steps as before, where we will push the HTML button to edit the HTML source. So we'll just right click and paste in that same YouTube code, hit update, and there it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit save and return to course. And so now when I click the My Video link, it brings me to a page that has my video on it.